6th graders. Hope you guys are doing well. Okay, so for this week, we're going to work on a Earth Day magazine collage, Earth Day inspired project, okay? So, Earth Day is tomorrow, and we're going to start today, and then on Thursday, we'll finish. But I want to have a Zoom meeting with you guys. I haven't seen you, so I'd like to host a Zoom meeting, and I'll put all the details on Google Classroom for you. So today we're going to start, and then on Thursday we'll continue, okay? Alrighty, so, okay, so first things first, if you guys have drawing paper, you guys can use the drawing paper. If you guys have your sketchbooks, tear 2 pieces out, and you guys are going to put them together like this, and I'm going to do all this with you. I'm just kind of going over what we need first, okay? Okay, and then you're going to need something round. I just have a paper plate. I'm going to trace it, okay? And then you're going to need tape too. Sorry, I'm going to reach really quick. You're going to need some tape. You're going to need some scissors, okay? And then so I really don't have any magazines, okay? But then I remember that I saved 3 magazines that I got at some point in time. So I'm going to be using the magazines that I saved. So they're just ones that I just have around the house. But I don't know. I'm kind of sad I'm using them because I like these magazines, but it's fine. Desperate times, desperate measures, sorry. Okay, so when we are going to be using the magazines, you're going to need to look for 3 main colors. So black, green, and blue, okay? So again, I'm doing this with you, so let's go ahead and start with step 1, okay? All right, so you got your 2 papers. So you're going to need to overlap them. Let's see, let's get the ruler out. So it's about like 3.5 inches from this point to where you are overlapping. Okay, so right in the middle. So I'm going to do that again to make sure. And it's about 3 inches. Okay, so I'm going to put this together, and I have tape. If you don't have tape, you can use glue. If you don't have glue, then washi tape. I mean, anything that will make it stick together. Okay. And then I'm going to put it over here too. I'm going to put a 3rd piece right in the middle. Okay, I'm going to turn this around. And I'm going to put some tape underneath. Okay. So, just kind of put it together. I'm going to stick it underneath like this. Okay, and maybe like another piece. Hopefully you guys can see how I'm doing this. Okay. Put one right there. And one more. Okay, just like that. And put it right there. Okay, so this is going to be my front, and this is going to be my back, okay? So front. Now I'm going to get that plate back. I'm going to center it right in the middle, so make sure you know what your front and back is. So back has the tape where you can see it, and then front has it inside, okay? All right, center it here, okay? And I'm going to get my pencil, and I'm going to trace it. You don't want to put too much pressure on the plate. You just kind of lightly hold it. Okay, so now I have a perfect circle in the middle. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, sorry, putting stuff back. Okay, so now I'm going to get my magazines. Okay, so inside the magazines there was these little clippings. So there was a lot of, there's like darker colors and some blues here. So I'm going to cut those colors out because, again, I need blues and I need blacks and I need greens. Okay, and however you cut it is fine. However you want to cut it is fine. Okay, so I'm just kind of cutting the blue portions out. Okay, and then so for today, I want us to just kind of focus on cutting blues and greens and blacks, and then on Thursday, we'll get together and we'll paste it all on our paper. Okay, so I just kind of wanted to start you guys on the main platform that everything's going to be on. Okay, so I'm going to cut a little bit more, and maybe there's not a lot of black. You can use like a brown. That could work too. I don't really see any more colors I can use here. Okay, and then again, just whatever shapes you have, okay? All right, so, oh, perfect. So look back here, bunch of blues. So I'm gonna cut that off. This is perfect. And really, I mean, if you find like a couple pages that have like a bunch of blue, you might not even have to cut any more, you know what I mean? And then since it's, you know, Earth Day, you guys want to try and recycle your paper. So any papers that you are not using, throw that in the recycle bin. We need to make that a habit. Okay. Throw your trash in the trash can. I was reading an article earlier of people throwing their like masks and gloves on the floor. It's awful. There's trash cans. Throw them away. So I'm just kind of cutting the blue, and then on Thursday, if I need to make it smaller, I'll make it smaller then. Okay. And different shapes is fine. Okay. A couple more little pieces. And then you're going to want different shades of blue too. So it shouldn't all be the same. Like this is a good blue, but I'm going to also look for like another shade of blue. Okay. All right, so I like how thick that was. So this is pretty thick, so this would be good in the background, okay, when it's time. Okay, so I'm just kind of looking through, and a lot of these paintings I don't want to cut. I'm kind of avoiding it. Okay, yes, this is good. So like this. I'm trying to see what's here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna cut this one out. So I'm just tearing it out. And I'm gonna want this glue. This is perfect. So just cut pieces off like that. And then again, we'll cut it if we need to on Thursday. And this is good too. Here, this is like a good black we can use. Different shades of blue. A little bit of green there, it's okay. And then there's some green in here. I'm going to cut that green out. But there's a lot of shadow, so I can cut that out for blue. I'm sorry, black. Okay. That in black. Okay. And okay. Alrighty. Let me find another page. Okay, so there's this page. I'm going to cut that out for the black. And again, you're going to want different shades of blue, okay? So, I mean, you're going to want to cut enough for however big your paper is, okay? So, like, this is all going to be the earth, blue-green, and then the background is, like, the space, the universe, so that's going to be black. So you're going to need a lot of black for sure, more green and more than green and blue. But, you know, just use what you have. If you have construction paper, I'd rather you try and find some kind of magazine clippings. Just because it looks better and it's shiny. It looks nice. So if you have magazines, I'd rather you guys use the magazines, okay? Because I know that's going to be a question. And again, you're going to want to cut in different ways. You don't want it to be all the same kind of shape. Okay, so I need a lot more green and black. Okay. So let's do then. Okay. Some more black. Some more green. Okay. Just trying to get some black here. All right. So I'm gonna look for looking in another magazine. Oh, there's a lot of green here. The real Robin Hood. Sorry, got myself reading right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut a little bit of green, and then there's like a ton of green on this one here. So I'm just gonna cut this up. And then on, I guess a Thursday we'll finish this up. Okay, but we'll do this on our Zoom meeting. Okay, so don't glue anything together today. You guys are just gonna glue with me on Thursday. Okay. If you guys can make it, it's gonna be at the time of our art time, so probably schedule it for 2:15 to 3. We'll see how long we need. We might need that full 45 minutes or maybe just 30 minutes. We'll see. But plan to be there for that amount of time, okay? Alrighty. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop the video. So just kind of gather your stuff. Gather your blues, gather your greens, gather your blacks, and then we will continue on Thursday. Okay guys? Alright, you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys hopefully on Thursday. Okay? Bye!